Good morning, Smart Cookies. Today we're going to do math stories. And in these math stories, we are going to be given an amount, a known amount, and then a change is going to happen. And then we're going to be given the final amount. The change that occurred in the math problem, we won't know what that is, but we're going to solve to figure it out. So here's an example of a change unknown problem. We start out with 4 bears who are playing tag. And then we are told that a bunch of bears come and join them to play tag. And at the end, we end up with 9 bears playing tag. So the question is, what change happened? How many more bears came to play to end up with 9? If we start with 4 and then a certain amount of bears join and we end up with a total of 9 bears, how many bears joined the tag game? Let's remember that there's an addend and another addend, and they add up to the sum. So we are told that there were 4 bears playing tag. That's the first addend. We're told that a bunch of bears joined, and that's the unknown addend in this case. But we are given the sum, and we know that 9 bears in all were playing tag. So what can we do to solve this problem? Well, we could start with 4 and then add up to 9. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, which are the original 4. So then we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 plus 5 more made the 9. So let's see. Does 4 plus 5 equal 9? I believe it does. Another way to show this math problem or math story is the number bond, the part, and the whole. In the beginning of the story, we are told that there were 4 bears, and that's part of the 9. We were also told that there were an unknown number of bears who joined the game. So we leave this blank. And all together, the total number of bears playing tag were 9. So the other part must be 5. So part, whole. Another way to solve this problem is to start with the whole, which was 9, and take away the unknown, which was 4, and we end up with 5, which I'm sorry, let me say that again. Another way to solve this problem is by using a subtraction sentence. We know that we ended up with 9 bears, and we know we started off with 4. So to find the change, we subtract the 4 bears from the 9, and we find that 5 bears joined the game. So for the first worksheet, we're going to be given a total, which in this case is 3 presents, and we're going to break the 3 into 2 parts. And they kind of drew a little dashed line dividing the 3 into 2 presents and 1 present. So the whole is 3, but the parts are 2 and 1. Then we're going to write an addition sentence to show the picture. 2 plus 1 equals 3. But we could also write 3 minus 2 equals 1. because we're going to start with the total in a subtraction sentence. We're going to subtract one of the parts, and we're going to be left with the other part. Okay, that's what you're going to do for the other problems as well on that page. On the third page, you're going to be given a math story. You're going to complete the number bonds and the number sentences, and you're going to color the unknown number yellow. So over here it says that Rich bought 6 cans of soda. He bought some more Rich bought 6 cans of soda on Monday. He bought some more on Tuesday. Now he has 9 cans of soda. How many cans did Rich buy on Tuesday? So we know he started with 6, and then we know he bought some more, but we don't know how much more he bought. But he ended up with 9. So we know that 9 is going to be the total or the whole, and we know that 6 is going to be one of the parts. So our job is to solve for the missing part. And then we can write a number sentence with addition and also a number sentence with subtraction to solve for the unknown part.